Hello, dear buyer who is watching this video now. Welcome to Pre-Air Dehumidifier Manufacturer. Today we're going to talk about our main product. Let's take a look. The PRO500 dehumidifier is called a greenhouse dehumidifier, which is mainly used to control the humidity of indoor green plant growth. Now, widely used in indoor cannabis cultivation, there's a big difference between a green plant dehumidifier and a warehouse dehumidifier. Features of Pre-Air PRO500 dehumidifier environmentally friendly and efficient under the same amount of dehumidification. The Pre-Air PRO500 greenhouse dehumidifier consumes about 20% less energy. Large spaces use Pre-Air ultra-efficient scroll chiller energy saving units, which can save up to 40% of energy consumption. Now, a large amount of dehumidification. This type of greenhouse's dehumidifier can dehumidify 500 feet per day. It is specially designed for greenhouse cultivation, especially for the humidity control of cannabis cultivation. It is the best choice for growers. Long Life Pre-Air PRO500 dehumidifier for grow room adopts appearance design and utility model. Patented technology selects high performance core components plus exquisite production technology and strict performance testing, which can ensure stable, reliable operation and longer life of equipment in a harsh environment. Now, cost-effective. Pre-Air's advanced ERP management system efficiently integrates supply chain resources and realize large-scale production, providing customers with dehumidification products with leading technology, exquisite workmanship, excellence, quality, and reasonable price. Now, the PRO500 dehumidifier for greenhouse provided by Pre-Air is a hot sale product. The dehumidification capacity, the PRO500 dehumidifier is 500 feet per day when the temperature is 80% Fahrenheit and the RH is 60%. Therefore, the dehumidifier can be used in area of 236.5 to 354.75 square meters. Now, if your grow rooms are in face of humidity problem, please contact us as soon as possible. Pre-Air is ready to provide with you all of the professional dehumidification solutions. Bye!